Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about chapter 8, that is length. So in this chapter we will study about length. So student, first we should know what is a length. A length is the measurement of the distance. Means how long or short is the thing we measure with the length. So here you can see some pictures over here students. There is a long and short. So what is a long? Long is the pencil, that is longer, and this is the shorter pencil. Okay students, as we can see in the picture. So now we will start with the sum exercise and then we will understand more. So here tick the longer and cross out the shorter one. So the A snake is longer than the B snake. So we will tick the A and cross the shorter one. Okay students? And then we will come with the second one. Write L for longer and S for shorter. So student, A is the longer and B is the shorter. Okay students, this is how we have to write it down. So next is color the shorter object as green and longer object as yellow. So students, in this the shorter one you have to color it with green. So this is in this you have to color it with green. And this other one which is longer, you have to color it with yellow. Okay students? And there is the longest and the shortest. Now, as we can see, there are three things. Okay? Tube light is the longest one, crayon is the shortest one, but the pencil is come in the middle of both of them. So ring 0, the longest, cross out the shortest one. So here we can see three images, A, B and C. There is a spoon in A, key in B and hammer in C. So which is the longest one? Yes student, C is the longest one. And so we have to cross out the shortest one. So key is the shortest one. Okay students? This is how you have to do it. So another is the exercise. Take the longest animal, cross out the shortest animal. So we have three animals. There is a snake, there is a dog and there is a rat. So we have to take the longest one, that is the snake. Snake is the longest one and cross out the shortest one, that is the rat. Okay students? So students, now we have to color these pencils. Like the longest one we have to color it with brown and the shortest one we have to color with the yellow. So students, here I am writing the name of the color, which pencil you have to color it. So here is the longest one. So there are the four pictures, A, B, C and D. So which is the longest one? Yes students, B is the longest one. So I am writing here brown and you have to color it. Okay students? And there is a C pencil which is the shortest one. So I am writing here yellow. Yellow. So you have to color it with the yellow color. So now we will see which is the tallest one and which is the shortest one. So here is a tall. This tree is tallest and this is shortest. Okay students? And this is how we have to mark it also. Take the taller and the cross out the shortest one. And here is the head. Street light, which is the tallest one, and the other street light, which is B, is the smallest one. So we have to cross it like this. So there is a house also. Write T for taller and S for shorter in the box. So this hut type house is a shortest one. So we'll be writing S over here for the short. And this house looking picture is tallest one. So that means we have to write it T over here. Same as we have to do with these two images, but we have to color these images. So the first one is the shortest one. Which is the shortest one? Glass. As we can see here, this is the glass and this is the shortest one. So we have to color it with blue. Okay, students? And the bucket. As you can see here, this is the bucket and this is the taller. So we have to write down green. Okay, students? So now we have to find out which is the tallest and which is the shortest one. As we can see in the first image, there are A, B, C, D. 4 images given here. And now in this we have to find out which is the tallest and which is the smallest one. So C is the smallest one, as we can see here, and B is the tallest one, as we can see here. Okay, students? So now we will tick mark as it is. So tick the tallest and cross out the shortest one. So as we can see, A, B, C, D and E, there is 5 images. So in this first we have to tick out the tallest one. So there is a window here given. This is the window and it is the tallest one. So we have to tick right this. And there is a table given here. This is the shortest one. So we have to cross it like this. So like this we have to do with these pictures also. There are 5 pictures of the ladies and so we have to tick mark on this also. So A, B, C, D and E. So which one is the tallest one? Yes, students. B is the tallest one. So like this you have to circle it, ring it. And who is the shortest one? Yes, students. A is the shortest one. Okay, students? And there are 4 A, B, C, D. There are 4 different kinds of candles, and in this also you have to do the same thing, the tallest and the smallest candle. So B is the tallest candle. So color it with green color. Okay, and A is the shortest one. So you have to color it with blue. Okay, students, this is how we have to do the whole exercise. So students, this is how we have come to the end of the part 1, chapter length.